Planning a trip to Qatar? With the Hayya Tourist Visa, it's easier than ever to explore this enchanting country. From modern skylines to rich cultural traditions, this visa is your golden ticket to adventure. The Hayya Tourist Visa, A1, is a non-refundable, single-entry visa designed for travelers of all nationalities, excluding GCC citizens who enjoy visa-free entry. Valid for 30 days, it's your gateway to Qatar's mesmerizing landscapes and cultural landmarks. Let's dive into the key requirements you need to turn your Qatar travel dreams into reality. First, your passport must be valid for at least 3 months during your stay. Ensure it's machine-readable for smooth airport processing. Next, upload a recent passport-size photograph. Clear and recent photos are a must for documentation. Apply for the Hayya Entry Permit online through the Hayya portal. This electronic visa is a crucial step for your application. Don't forget health insurance. It's mandatory and must comply with Qatar's Ministry of Public Health guidelines. The application fee is QAR 100, but remember, this fee is non-refundable and non-transferable. Provide proof of accommodation, whether it's a hotel booking or an invitation from family or friends in Qatar. Ensure you have proof of a return or exit ticket to guarantee a smooth and legal stay. Lastly, specify your purpose of stay. Whether for business, leisure, or visiting loved ones, clarity is key for a hassle-free application. Your Hayya Tourist Visa opens doors to a world of unforgettable experiences. Apply today and embark on your Qatari adventure.